5 things that you should never overlook while doing a flip. Let's get it. Here we go. Hey guys, my name is Hafel. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So number one thing that you always have to look for before you buy a property for a flip is actually the structure, the mechanical and electrical. So the foundation, just make sure there's no cracks. It's pretty solid. There's no water seeping in. Second, the electrical has to be in good shape. Plumbing has to be in good shape as well. People look for roofing as well. These are stuff that can break or make your wallet. So your profit margin can easily get erased if you're not really focused on these few key things before you buy your first flip. And number 2, you guys, it always is the kitchen and the washroom. So make sure you update the kitchen and the washroom very strategically so that it brings life to the space. That way, putting quartz countertops, a nice backsplash, giving a good facelift for your kitchen cabinets, and obviously having a nice light fixture and a mirror in the washroom. Tip number 3, you guys, is adding extra room or a basement suite. So for this particular house, we couldn't really add an additional room, so it's only 2-bedroom up. We are adding an additional basement legal suite in the basement. What this does to your property significantly increases the value, whether it be the 3rd bedroom or having a basement suite. Now the basement suite would be additional for the income, qualify for the mortgage, etc. So you get a premium value for your flip right there. Tip number 4 for your flip: always make sure you give the property a beautiful, great curb appeal. On this one, we had very old stucco. We just put new vinyls in there. You can either paint the stucco or just do something on the exterior to make it nice and bright and fresh. And in the front, you can put new sodding, make good landscaping, etc. So as soon as someone comes into your property, they see it's fresh and clean and ready to move in. Tip number 5, budget and marketing. Always budget for uncertain things that can come up, always. And also work with someone who's super knowledgeable about that area. In this case, you have to work with me so that I can help you as well. This community, Pembroke, we just know the exact buyer who's going to buy this specific property. So we tailor everything that we do around it to be able to get a quick sale on the back end. Now that you've done or heard all the 5 major tips going into a flip, I'm going to take you for a quick tour of what we're doing to this exact property. So we put new vinyl flooring, guys. This is a must-do, always do flooring. I love vinyl because it's more durable, waterproof. You can rent it, people live there, pets, it doesn't matter, right? So here we gave a little bit life to this living area with the feature wall, which would have a electric fireplace. And these ones are from older kitchen. These are older kitchen cabinet doors. We're just taking out these walls and putting like new just face doors, but the rest of the cabinets are the exact same.
We refaced the entire kitchen. We're using the same old cabinetries, in fact, but it would look brand new once done, but we are saving costs that way. And then here we put the laundry. So we are building a legal suite, so you need to have 2 separate laundry units. So here we'd be putting the laundry. That's the dryer vent, and the plumbing and everything is done. And the washroom is pretty standard. We're putting a tub and vanity in 2 bedrooms. But I'll quickly show you the basement. So this would be the separate entrance for the basement suite itself. We framed that side where you're coming down. Right now we're working with the city to get all the permits done. So we also made sure the foundation is pretty solid and pretty sound here. And then we put 3 new egress windows in both the bedrooms. Egress windows are necessary just in case if there's a fire, people are able to open the window and step outside the property and not get stuck in here. We're putting 2 new furnaces. It has to have 2 different heat sources. So we have 2 different furnaces here. A separate washer dryer would go here. I mean, the property is just framed right now. It's just right towards the bones. You can't really visualize how things are. But once things are done, we are always going to come back and show you how this transformation looks like. But few things to notice, like working with the city to get the permits is a bit tedious process, but you get the value on the back end. And that's pretty much it, you guys. And we bought this property for $450. We're dumping in around $70,000 to it, and probably would be selling around $560,000 to $580,000. And will be completed in 2 more months. Now, if you want to learn more about the flip that we're doing or partner up with the projects that we are doing, feel free to DM me and connect with me, and all the details right there. Until then, see you next time.